The future of manufacturing is no longer a concept confined to science fiction. It is breathing, moving, and working right before our eyes. I'm Ava, and today on Vision Effect TV, we are analyzing a pivotal moment in robotics history. You are watching the Unitree G1 and H1 series integrated with cutting-edge embodied AI models, performing autonomous manufacturing tasks in a real factory environment. Unlike traditional industrial arms that are bolted to the floor, these humanoids possess the mobility and adaptability to navigate human-centric workspaces, marking the beginning of a new era in industrial automation. Observe the dexterity in their movements. As we see at the 0:15 mark, the robot is not just moving a part. It is perceiving, aligning, and assembling complex metal components with sub-millimeter precision. This is made possible by Unitree's latest end-to-end neural networks. These models allow the robot to learn from human demonstration and refine its grip strength and trajectory through reinforcement learning. Whether it's handling delicate sensors or heavy structural brackets, the embodied AI understands the physics of the object, ensuring that the assembly process is as fluid as a skilled human technician. What truly sets this apart is the embodied aspect of the artificial intelligence. Traditional AI lives in servers, but this AI lives in the physical world. It utilizes multimodal perception, combining 3D LiDAR data with high-resolution depth vision to map the assembly line in real time. If a part is slightly out of place, or if a human worker steps into its path, the robot doesn't just stop, it recalculates. At 0:30, notice how the robot sorts small components into designated bins. This level of autonomous decision-making reduces the need for complex pre-programming, allowing factories to reconfigure their production lines in hours rather than weeks. By manufacturing their own kind, Unitree is demonstrating a self-sustaining cycle of robotic production. These humanoids are the first generation of general-purpose workers, capable of switching from assembly to logistics or quality control with a simple software update. As we look at these machines working in perfect harmony, we see a bridge to a world where human creativity is empowered by robotic precision. The factory of the future is here, and it's being built by the very machines that will inhabit it. I'm Ava. Stay smart, embrace the evolution, and as always, blue skies ahead.